When a biotechnologist observes a petri dish full of microorganisms, it's difficult for her to just look at it and say, oh, I can see the future and the promise of science is just right there. However, I do believe that there is future and there is promise in science, especially in biotechnology. Before I begin with what I would like to deliver, Assalamualaikum and a very pleasant day I bid to everyone. My name is ALEA SABREENA binti ROSIDE and I am from Seri Puteri Sains Secondary School, Kuala Lumpur. On par with the theme given, my topic is biotechnology and the future. To advance is human. We are focusing on biology, the biological sciences. The reason why is very simple. It is because we are flesh and we are blood. Hence, the things that we can do to biology will help us to determine our future and the future of the next generation. Whether we gain control over aging or we finally learn how to completely control and protect ourselves from diseases. On the other hand, we are also focusing on technology. What is happening right now is we are taking this technology and it is becoming more prominent and more powerful over time. It will really make us wonder, what is it to be a human being after all? And as the outcome of all that growth, as a child of that particular revolution, is the revolution of biology. More generations to come, there are going to be more profound things in the future. And to solve this, we will use the knowledge of biology and technology combined to fuel the world, to feed the world, and most importantly, to heal the world. In 1919, the agriculturist, which is also the father of modern biotechnology, Carl Ericke, defined biotechnology as all lines of work by which products are produced from raw materials with the help of living things. And to my understanding, nowadays, modern biotechnology is where researchers, they modify DNA to create something useful for humans by forming abilities of living cells, plants, and animals. Looking at the mechanisms of biotechnology, for instance, DNA sequencing, recombinant DNA by which many genetically modified crops have been produced to produce crops with higher yields or produce crops without the use of pesticides, genome editing, and DNA synthesis. With all these tools and mechanisms, a lot of breakthroughs have been derived in numerous fields, and one of those fields is field of medicine. One of the breakthroughs in that particular field is CRISPR. And no, it is not your typical chip. It is actually something scientific, and of its many uses, HIV research is one of them. For now, researchers can keep up with the genetic mutations and constantly edit them to adjust therapies for patients. Synthetic human insulin is the first golden molecule of biology. And to think about it now, if we are able to create something with nature instead of destroying it, we should take it. We have been doing this for many of years, for thousands of years. We can only rely on one red rose, but we didn't. We keep on producing many other kinds and many other colors because we like to meet with our needs, and biotechnology is the way to do that. With that being said, others can only imagine a world where they are not constrained by fear, but biotechnology is going to help them to build that world together. Before I end my speech, I would like to pick a few words from Thucydides as he spoken to us with full clarity. Those who are the bravest are surely those with the clearest vision of what is before them. They, whether it's glory or it's danger, they yet to withstand it, they go out and they meet with it. Analyzing all these discoveries, I can only say there are going to be more discoveries in the future. With that being said, I am only 17 now, and thank you for listening.